Hello kids! Today is our 6th day of drawing class. Today, we will learn to draw cute drawings from the alphabet Q to Z. From the alphabet Q, we will draw a quarter. It is so easy to draw. From the alphabet R, we will draw a rat. Wow, it is looking so cute. From the alphabet's S, we will draw a sword. Wow, it is so beautiful. From the alphabet T, we will draw a tent. Wow, it is so easy to draw. From the alphabet U, we will draw a turn. From the alphabet V, we will draw a vase. Wow, it is so beautiful. From the alphabet W, we will draw a watermelon. Wow, it is looking so yummy. From the alphabet X, we will draw xylophone. Wow, it is so attractive. From the alphabet Y, we will draw a yacht. Wow, it is so easy to draw. From the alphabet Z, we will draw a zigzag. It is so easy to draw. Okay kids, in the next video, we will learn to draw fruits in an easy way. If you like this video, please like, comment and share. Thank you.